Painted feathers will look amazing at wedding receptions with a natural, alternative look. We will use metallic pens and adhesive templates to create feather decorations. Here is the self-adhesive template. Peel off the design you want to use, and apply to a sheet of pearlescent card. Use metallic markers to color in the feather. You could create patterns, mixing two or more different colors. When you are ready, peel the template off. Cut the leaf out. Choose another template. Color in the feather any way you want. Remove the template and cut out the feather using scissors. Here is the second feather. Let's make a few more. There are many different ways of how to use these feathers once they are made. For example, you could glue them onto your table seating plan and table numbers. You could make a garland out of them, or a backdrop. Some of you might prefer feathers in one color, such as silver or gold. We are using a light green pearlescent card in this video. You could use a white pearlescent card, a pink one, or a different type of card, such as recycled card, for a rustic look. You might be able to think of many other ways of how to use these feathers. You could decide to incorporate them in your dried flower arrangements. Or, you could glue them onto sticks and use these sticks with feathers as your wedding cake topper.